Bula! Welcome home, everyone. Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals Fiji Real Estate. Today we're in Fairway Palms, Denarau Island, crown jewel of Fiji. And Bren and I actually happen to live in this gated 24/7 beautiful precinct and very close to the Denarau Port and Marina. All the boat charters, sunset cruises, if you want to go out fishing or surfing, this is where you want to be. And this is the master bedroom, and look at that beautiful pool. You even have those blackout curtains on each side of you here. Nice cross breezes, beautiful vaulted ceiling with the LED lights. Great swimming pool here. If you're a swimmer and you don't have time to get out in the ocean, you can wake up and do some laps in the pool while you're enjoying your coffee out here. Beautiful entryway, tiled throughout, double car parking. Here's your nice laundry room, washer and dryer, side yard, heaps of storage. Look at that. And then here's what makes this house special. Look at this. Huge, beautiful, open, vaulted wood ceilings. Look at this. Really beautiful. Hisense fridge freezer combo, double sinks, dishwasher, 4 gas burner stove top, and you have the microwave and oven over there with some additional storage. Your kettle's ready to go, so you can make yourself a nice hot tea if you want. And again, everything's opening up. Beautiful Pacific green furniture. And I'm gonna come up here so you can see great loft area. So if you have kids and you're coming to Fiji, this might be a fun place for them to hang out. I know I would if I were a kid. Look at this, really nice. Or you can make this a home office or added storage. Check in on everybody out downstairs there. Look at those beautiful wood beams, gorgeous wood here. Fiji actually is famous for sandalwood, mahogany, vesi, a number of different hardwoods you can get here. And they even make planks and furniture from a rain tree here as well. So if you want to look that up online, here's one of the bedrooms downstairs with the aircon and ceiling fan. Great view of the pool. And then second bedroom right downstairs as well. Same aircon and the fan, nice nightstands. And then here, shower enclosure, toilet. You have the double sinks, boom, boom. So lots of storage for your personal items when you're coming to Fiji, full or part-time. Whether you're a local or a non-resident foreigner, you can get this property. So find out more. You're going to want to go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. Really nice quality house right here. And I'm just pointing just over there is Port Denarau. All the restaurants, retail, shopping, coffee, wine bars, everything is right there. Only thing missing here is you. So let's go back and hang out by the pool, and we will wait for you to get here. Have an awesome day, and we will see you soon. Cheers. Vinaka.